Yeah.
Open house is important because we think we have a great facility and a great law school and a great location. And the more people can come into the building, interact with people who are here, and see what we have to offer, it's more likely that they're going to realize the value of the Bowen education and apply here and matriculate.
My name is Christina Lusk, and I'm from Little Rock. I will be a non-traditional student, obviously. But the reason that I'm here today is to try to put some names and faces together and just get a feel for the personality of the school. I already know the credentials and I understand all of that, but I wanted to get a feel for what the fit would be between Bowen and myself, and I'm very impressed. There's a lot of warmth and also a lot of professionalism, and so I'm very encouraged by what I've seen today.
And hopefully one day I'll be a successful attorney or lawyer, whatever it takes. That's pretty much it.
Because I'm very interested in going to law school, and this seems like a really good school, and I just love the atmosphere so far, and I love the small, close-knit.
Well, I think what I mean is that I really